Whether it's rounding off the edge of a shelf board or creating a mortise in the center of a piece of hardwood, woodworkers often reach for a plunge router power tool to get many kinds of carpentry jobs done. This versatile, high-speed power tool makes boring accurate patterns and creating tight-fitting joinery a faster process than hand tools can manage. A plunge router tool is ideal for building bookshelves, cabinet making, and creating mortise and tenon joinery, but for those in the market for one, it's important to purchase a plunge router that balances skill level, budget, and the types of planned projects. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best plunge routers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch 120V 2.3-HP electronic plunge base router. This Bosch plunge wood router RP23 EVs is a true workhorse, capable of tackling any job. It boasts 10,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute RPM of run speed, thanks to its 2.3-horsepower HP Phenamp electric motor. It's not all brawn though, thanks to features like a handle-mounted trigger, soft start tech, electronic feedback control, and the ability to make micro-adjustments with consistent results. It also offers the flexibility of using both 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collet chucks, as well as a built-in LED light for visibility. The only drawback is this large model may be too much router for newbies, particularly those who are attempting intricate or delicate work like carving patterns or routing thin pieces of wood. Number 2. Skil 14A Combo Plunge and Fixed Base Router. This Skil 14A router kit, equipped with both fixed and plunge router bases, offers exceptional versatility straight out of the box. Despite being a budget-friendly option, it doesn't compromise on functionality, boasting features that enhance its appeal such as an LCD screen for speed control, which intelligently adjusts speed settings based on the collet size installed, either 1/4-inch collet. With a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM, this router is well equipped to handle a wide range of wood species. Safety features like soft start technology and electronic feedback technology are integrated for added peace of mind during operation. Additionally, it includes an edge guide for precise and controlled routing. Albeit not the most robust at this price point, it still serves its purpose adequately. Number 3. Makita RP23 01FC314HP Plunge Router. For dyers and pros shopping for a router with some serious power, the Makita RP23 01FC314HP Plunge Router filled the bill for many, thanks to its 15A electric motor that produces from 9,000 up to 22,000 RPM. Plus, several user-friendly features really help get the job done, like swappable 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collets, an ergonomic 2-finger switch, a lock-on trigger, and twin LED lights for illuminating the project. The Makita is a dedicated plunge router, which allows for the smoothest possible plunging action. It offers accurate micro-adjustments along with macro-adjustments for quickly getting to size. It features a grip-mounted trigger and soft start technology, the combination of which provides secure starts, while the electric brake quickly brings the spindle to a rest after releasing the trigger. Number 4. DeWalt Fixed Plunge Base Router Kit. The DeWalt kit offers comprehensive coverage, making it an excellent choice for novice woodworkers seeking versatility without breaking the bank. With both plunge and fixed bases included, it caters to various woodworking needs, with the added advantage of being compatible with router tables. Despite its professional-grade performance, it maintains a reasonable price point, making it accessible to a broader range of users. Operating at speeds ranging from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM. Powered by a 12-amp motor, it effectively handles a variety of wood types. Furthermore, its micro-adjustability feature facilitates precise depth adjustments quickly and accurately. Equipped with both 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collet sizes, the kit also includes essential accessories such as a wrench, dust adapter, and a soft carrying case, although some dyers accustomed to DeWalt's renowned hard cases may find this aspect contentious. Number 5. Bosch GKF125C EPK Cold Palm Router. Another high-quality option from Bosch, this smaller palm-style router is an excellent choice for light-duty work and doubles as a laminate trimmer. This kit comes with a plunge base, as well as a fixed base, edge guide, and 1/4-inch collet chuck. Despite its small size, this hand router is very fast with a maximum top speed of 35,000 RPM. The plunge base features easy-to-use depth adjustments and operates very smoothly. Thanks to its size, it's relatively easy to control. Speed is variable, but without a soft start feature built in, a large bit in its collet can cause the Bosch cord to jump a bit when starting. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.